Hiccup, look! We got a package. It's from Azzy's Midnight Munchies. I hope I said that right. Should we open it? Oh my goodness. Look at all of these. Thank you so much. Hiccup, looks like you're stacked up for a while, buddy. What do you think? Look at that, Hiccup. Taste testing. This one is wheat-free pumpkin hearts. Butter and apple. Definitely likes cheddar and apple, the pumpkin, that one is turkey bacon, and the last one we have is wheat-free peanut butter and banana.